Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at Java's static initializer block. This problem states static initialization blocks are executed when the class is loaded, and you can initialize static variables in those blocks. It's time to test your knowledge of static initialization blocks. You are given a class solution with a main method. Complete the given code so that it outputs the area of a parallelogram where breadth and height. With breadth and height. You should read the variables from the standard input. Alright, so basically we're going to determine if the numbers are positive or negative, and then the main method will output the multiplication result from the b and the h. So it's 3 times 1 is 3, and here sample output 2, negative 1 times 2 is negative, and so it's going to output the exception message. So if you look at over here what they've given us a bunch of libraries here and the main method, and this is read-only here. We can't modify this at all. So they want us to put the code here. So this will determine the area of the input parameters, but we need to filter out the negative values. So how this works is we need to first define that static Boolean flag because it's given us an error that it's not there yet. We'll assign that to true. So static basically means that it doesn't need to be instantiated, so that's all we're really doing here. So static int, and then we've got b and h, and that should take care of the red squigglies under the b and the h in the main method. Alright, so then we're just going to have our static method. And in there, we're going to do this. We're going to read the value. So scanner scan equals new scanner. And then we'll do the system.in. Alright, first we'll get the b value, so b equals scan next int. Then we'll go to the next line and get the h value, which will be scan next int as well. And then we'll close the scanner to avoid any possible memory leaks. All right, so now we have the values. So basically this just becomes a simple if statement. So if b is greater than 0 and h greater than 0, then we're just going to assign the flag equal true. But if b is less than or equal to 0, include the zeros, or where is it? H less than or equal to 0, then we're going to assign the flag equal false. And now we've got to also output that error message. So system out print line. And what they want is java.lang.exception. Breadth and height must be positive. Okay, I have an extra curly brace here. Alright, so that's the answer here. So let's run this and see what we get. Congratulations. Our test cases are successful. Submit it. Alright, congratulations, you have solved this. And that's it. So let me know if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.